Hello, everyone over there at Eagle Eye Roofing. My name is Charles. I'm with Warley Digital, and I just wanted to, like I had mentioned, just to send you a short video giving you some things that you can implement or give to your whoever handles this kind of stuff, your marketing person to implement and help you get more and more clients. Why do I do this? I'm sure you're wondering. Well, what I realize is that business owners are way too busy to begin to learn and implement this stuff. There's so much information out there. And on top of that, there's so many so called experts. And I figured this is one of the best way to show you what I'm worth, give you free value. And if you like what you see, I do have other tricks up my sleeve. I would be willing to partner and have a discussion about helping you grow. Another reason I do this is because, as you and I know, Google is popular. 90% of people will look for services like yours on Google. So, for example, let's say I was looking for a roofing company in Akron, Ohio. You can see I was doing some research earlier. Um, it would be preferable if you were on this front page. 90% of people look for your local services like this, like yours. 70% stay on this front page. I believe it's 37 to 40% click on this first listing here. So it's pretty important to be here, especially as the map pack is getting more and more popular. It's very important to be here as well. Okay, so to show you why it's so important, I'm going to take this keyword and put it into a tool known called Ahrefs. Ahrefs. Ahrefs or Ahrefs. People call it different things. It's a popular tool out there. And what I'm going to do is it helps me analyze websites, analyze keywords, etc. And I can see for this one keyword, you have about 150 people looking for that every single month. If I look at matching terms, related terms, here's where I can get more ideas. Roofing in Akron, 350 people each for both of those. Roofing companies, Akron OH, 150 people. Type that into Google looking for that service. So what I'm saying is that if you could grab a little bit of this traffic, let's say 10 extra clients a month, that would count. And you can see that there are a lot of people looking for you. So it's important to optimize yourself, your website, your Google My Business with Google. Now you might be wondering, how do I do that? Well, three main things that I want to give you, 3 free tips. Implement these and I'm sure you'll start to see more traffic. First one is content, second is citations, and the third are backlinks. Content has everything to do with the front page and with your pages on your website, your front-facing pages. Content means all the text, all the pictures, the words behind the pictures, whatever you save the pictures as, all that is content. It's advisable to save your pictures as keywords so that Google begins to recognize your relevancy. And to optimize with Google, it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page showing what you do, who you are, locations you service, any offers that you have, any deals, anything that stands out. This way, Google will start to consider you more relevant. Along with all that text, the 1,500 words of text, sprinkle it with those keywords which are important, which have highest search volume, so Google starts to put you in front of those searches. Second thing I want to talk about are citations. Now, citations have more to do with the map pack here. Citations are anywhere that your name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories online, just as they appear in your Google My Business profile. So directories, for example, like Better Business Bureau, expertise.com, DexKnows, yellowpages.com, superpages.com, etc. In fact, you can find tons of citation directories for your niche. I have a huge list here with a lot of different citations, and they're out there. There are also tools that can tell you how many citations your competitors have. And then your task, I guess, is then just to beat your competitors in the quality and the relevancy of citations. A tool to use is whitespark.ca or BrightLocal. Those are 2 good tools, popular tools that are used. Third thing I wanted to mention, talk about was is this section here known as the organic listing section, right below the map pack. Now, how do you rank higher here? Well, a lot of it comes down to backlinks. And I'm going to take this guy, who's a competitor of yours, as an example. So, backlinks are whenever one website links to your website, directing traffic to you. For example, if there's a roofing contractor forum in Youngstown, Ohio, and they have a blog up and they have a link that directs people to your site, that's a good, strong, relevant backlink. Not all backlinks are the same. If it's a McDonald's in Maryland that's linking to you, that has no relevancy. In fact, Google sees that as spam. When Google's bots read your website, it will consider that as spam and then rank you lower because you wouldn't be as an important contribution to that search, according to Google. Now, what gets tough is that, especially in my field, there are a lot of people who claim to be experts and overload you with backlinks and horrible backlinks, and then they make you pay a lot of money. So it's important whenever whoever you're dealing with, for them to know and explain clearly to you exactly what kind of backlinks they're getting you. So that's, oh yes, I wanted to take the competitor into Ahrefs, and I just want to show you their site. Let me take off that trailing end. They're ranking number 7 for that one search. They have about 1,400 backlinks from 478 domains. So adding more and more backlinks would take a little bit of time, but you can definitely come and beat them. It looks like their backlinks are not, like I said, you don't need the same number. You just need to analyze their site and have higher quality backlinks. Therefore, you'd start to rank higher for different relevant searches and get more clients. If you'd like to talk more about this, feel free to give me a call or email me. If you want to take these tips and use them, implement them, no harm, no foul. I just hope that you've understood what I've brought here, and this will help. And I hope that this will help you grow. All the best. Take care. Thank you.